In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to set a navigation bar. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar. However, if you'd like to change it into gestures, just open the settings, then it's the quickest to enter in a search area and navigation. So just click here, and now you can smoothly change visual buttons to swipe gestures. And from now on you can smoothly use gesture navigation bar. So as you can see, you can slide from right to left or from left to right to go back. Then to open your home screen smoothly, slide up once, and to check all recently opened apps, just slide up and hold your finger for a while. Here it is. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can manage navigation bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.